Welcome back students. I would like to give few tips to score maximum marks in computer applications exam. Section A. There are 10 multiple choice questions. The questions will be from any part of your syllabus. So you need to go through the notes or textbook, and also there are chances that the choices given as answers may be confusing. So if you are very clear with your concepts, and then you don't need to worry. Read the questions many times and understand clearly what has been asked. This is much more important. While deciding the correct answer, be careful about uppercase or lowercase characters in the output based or syntax or asking functions, that is string functions, or even the data type questions. What are the types of questions can be asked? It may be output based. Fill in the blanks in the definition. Definition in the statement and choices as their concept names. True or false with single or multiple statements. Identifying the scope of variables from a program. The correct syntax. String or character functions used for getting particular output. Then also the data types, that is output data types. So you must be giving the importance to theory part, various characters and string functions, and also accessing array elements. Section B. Practice by writing is the most effective method for programming type questions. So you can set the stopwatch and check the timing which you spend for writing a program. Sometimes the program you will be able to write within 10 minutes, sometimes it may drag up to 15 minutes. However, the total time which you spend to write the program should be lesser than or equal to 60 minutes. See, you are so lucky, the concept for the programs are very less. Program based on only string or character functions and arrays can be asked. Remember, no programming questions will be asked which is based on nested loops or multi-dimensional arrays. Focus on understanding the programming concepts rather than memorizing them for string based programs. However, the array based programs, similar codes will be there. In the examination hall, be relaxed. What you will be doing in the first 10 minutes of reading time? Turn to section B and select the best 4 programs by reading questions carefully. Now go to section A, understand the questions clearly, then quickly make up the answers in the mind if possible. For output based questions, just recall the concept needed and dry run when you are allowed to write on the paper in the rough side at the time of answering. So just before start writing, you will be knowing the answers mentally. So be please relaxed. How would you manage 1.5 hours of writing? Start writing from section A. You can complete section A within 12 to 15 minutes. I would always recommend that you write section A answers only in the proper order, that is 1 to 10. In case you are not sure about the answer of any question, write the number and leave the blank space so that later you can fill it. So you will not be wasting so much of time on single question there. If you would have spent 15 minutes to answer section A, 75 minutes will be remaining for section B. As I said before, you can take 60 minutes to complete 4 programs. Before start writing any program, please have a blueprint of that in your mind so that the flow goes in right way. The logic you can just dry run and make sure it works. If any new type of logic you are bringing in the program that is not common, please depict the logic as a comment in very short manner. Once you complete section B, that is all 4 programs. Approximately you will be having 20 minutes remaining, so you can be relaxed. This will boost your energy and refresh your mind. Now if you would have left any question in section A, please revisit it and then complete it. Please check the numbering of answers again. It will take hardly 30 seconds to 1 minute. Now go back to the programming questions. Another 2 remaining questions are there. If one can be done by you, select that one. Complete the program. This will really help you sometimes when a program logic goes wrong in the previous programs. If this program is right, you may be getting full mark for this. Whichever program is having the highest mark will be considered. The other one will not be marked for you. So this is added advantage. This is the reason I always recommend to write at least 5 programs. This is only for those who are writing so fast and completing their exams very early. That is, even after writing the 5 programs, still you are having nearly 15 minutes or maybe nearly 10 minutes, still you will be able to write the other program, that is the last one remaining. You can even go for it. If you are not having plenty of time, please do not try to attempt the 6th question. Now if you are having some more time, do not waste. Now you will be more relaxed. Go to section A, read the questions. Your understanding level might have increased as you are so relaxed. Check whether the answer is right for your correct understanding now. If it is wrong answer, then you can change it. Still you are having time. Dry run the program logic to ensure that it is right. Thank you, and I wish you all the very best for your exam.